We back again with the addition of fraction right here at Maths with Gustin. I am Gustin Mapala. Let's have a look at number 3 and number 4. All right, great stuff. Okay, let's go here. We said equal to, what is our LCD? In this case, LCD 3 between 3 and 12. It will therefore be 12. All right, so therefore divide everything by LCD. If you are getting lost, please I suggest that you watch the first video on this series of addition of fractions so that you are able to follow on what we are doing. Okay, then we said we're going to say the numerator, it's 1. 3 goes how many times into 12? It's like you are saying 3 divided by 12, therefore it equals to 4. 4 needs to be multiplied by the numerator. We just did that right now. Plus 12 goes how many times into 12? It goes 1. 2 is our numerator, therefore if it goes 1, you need to multiply that with the numerator as well. All right, okay, good stuff. So now as we continue simplifying the top, we simplify the top. 1 times 4 is going to give us 4, plus 2 times 1 is going to give us 2 all over 12, which is going to give us 6 all over 12. Therefore 6 all over 12 is going to be 1 all over 2. All right, and that's how you would deal with number 3. Let's come to number 4. Number 4, in this case, let's see what is our LCD. LCD, we've got 5 and 25. Therefore, our LCD will be 25. Okay, so you go ahead. Step number 2, step number 1, find the LCD. Step number 2, you divide everything by the LCD, which is 25. All right, what is the numerator here on this fraction? It's 7. 5 goes how many times into 25? It's like you're dividing, so it will go 5 times. Therefore 5 times needs to be multiplied with the numerator, which is 7, plus 25 goes how many times into 25? It goes 1. 2, we need to multiply by 1. All right, I think I'm moving a little bit quick. If you think I'm a bit too fast for you, please pay attention and also leave a comment on the comment section below so that we will be able to assist you, or you can request a one-on-one lesson which will be provided by me, Gustin Mapala. All right, okay, let's go ahead and simplify the numerator. In this case, 7 times 5. 7 times 5. If you go and punch this into your calculator, if you go to scientific calculator, you should be able to get to, for an example, let me say this would be 35 plus 2 all over 25, which all in all is gonna give us 37 divided by 25. And that's how you will deal with this ones, ladies and gentlemen. If you've got any questions, please make sure that you leave a comment section. Please share and like this video so that it can reach as many people and it can reach that person that really needs it the most. I am Gustin Mapala. See you on the next upload where we will be doing number 5 and number 6.